to my channel. Here we want to draw the right end elevation of this object when we are looking at it in the right direction. As we have produced the plan, the front elevation and the left end elevation, these views are being produced, or these orthographic views are being drawn in third angle projection. That's why we have the plan up here, we have the front elevation here, then we have the left end elevation being placed on the left side of the front elevation. So now the right end elevation will be drawn on the right side of the front elevation. So let's go and do that. So what we have to do now is to take the 45 degrees set square. So we set it at this point on the front elevation, at this point on the front elevation, and we draw an inclined line that will be at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. It goes in this direction. Alright, so then the next thing that we have to do is that wherever this line made these horizontal lines that are drawn out of the plan, so we have to draw a vertical line. So we come to this point here, okay, so this point here, so we draw a vertical line down, and also we come to this point, so we draw a vertical line, okay. Then so this center line, so we also need to draw it as center lines down, the center line down. Alright, so we have this then. So coming to this end here, so we also draw a vertical line down. Alright, so now, so I need to extend this line. So I need to extend this line to this side. Alright, so now, so when we are looking at the right end elevation, so we can see this L shape here. This L shape, so we have it, so it's already out. So all I need to do is to bring it out with a thick line. So I make this line a thick line from here down like this. Then I will also make this line a thick line from here to here. So this line, I'll make it a thick line like this. Okay, so this line, so make it a thick line down here. Then also make this line a thick line down. Okay, so this line, so make it a thick line from here to here. Alright, so the L shape has come out. Then what about this rectangle, triangle that we see here, this triangle that we have here? So all we have to do to produce that is to join these 2 points together. Just join like this. Okay. Then other things that we have to put here. So this circle that we have here, this hole that we have here, it is hidden. So we have to draw it here. This is the center line. So the diameter of that circle is 26. So the radius is 13. So we have to take 13 millimeters. So setting like this. So we take 13 millimeters to the left side and 13 millimeters to the right side to make it 16 millimeters. So then we draw short dashes line. So short dashes line here. Okay. And then so we also draw here. So the number of short dashes line that you have to draw depends on the space that you have within the part. So and also, so for these 2 circles that we have here, so they are hidden in the end elevation. So they are hidden from us in the end elevation. You can't see them. So we just draw for one of them, and that will represent both of them. So the diameter of the holes is 16. So radius is 8. So we take 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters down, 8 millimeters down, and 8 millimeters up, making it 16. So then we are going to draw the short dashes line. So for both of them, okay, for one of, okay, so we draw like this. And then, so coming up here, so we do the same thing. Alright, so we have completed the right end elevation. This is how it will look. Alright, so this is the right end elevation. So do not forget that these views are drawn in third angle projection, as the symbol that we are given is a third angle symbol. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So all you have to do is to practice. When you practice it, become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you. Keep on practicing.